my daily move.
It's really good to have you in South Africa. Yes, wonderful. These guys want to take a picture of you. Yes. There are so many. Can you see what? The airport is closed, so you have to go by train to Poland.
Yeah.
It's incredible. I experienced that when in the UK.
Remember when you came with partners from
Yes,
Africa?
that's right, African countries. Yes, we came all the way to Poland, to Kyiv, by train.
By train.
Yeah.
It's also 10, 11 hours.
Hours, yeah. And because of the war, the airport is closed.
Yeah. Well,
You have
that's
good
it.
infrastructure.
Very, and some airports, not only Kyiv,
Yes,
near the border,
That's right.
a lot,
yeah.
but not enough.
Do another handshake.
Yes.
They never stop with this picture. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you
Thank
guys.
you so much.
Thank you.